CRNA trainee meal prep. I usually eat at the hospital, but I'm trying to eat more vegetables.
Greek chicken marinade, didn't really measure, but it's yogurt based with these spices and a bunch of lemon. 3 recipes I found online, I'll have that in the comments, and then I'll link Violet Witchell's Substack.
We are doing 2 of the dense bean salads by Violet Witchell. I did subscribe to her Substack in case TikTok goes away. I have a short attention span, so I am making 2 dense bean salads. The first is an enchilada based. The second is a Greek, like Mediterranean type one. And so I made a yogurt chicken marinade with yogurt, olive oil, red wine vinegar, paprika, cumin, a bunch of lemon, and a little bit of chili and garlic. And then this one is literally just a can of enchilada sauce. Then the second thing is that, like, I never cook. My girlfriend is the cook of the 2 of us, but she lives in New York and I live in Austin, Texas. So I've been eating takeout like constantly. Anyway, I don't really chop or cook things, so I got one of these like salad box things somewhere on TikTok, and then it's supposed to chop all of my produce into the right sizes. And because I'm in anesthesia training, I ordered everything online. I got almost everything from Costco, and then the rest of it, I think I got Whole Foods delivery. Well, I've never done it before. I think that I actually can eat an entire package of red peppers by myself in 1 week. Because if I do one of each inside of the salads, and then I eat these with hummus, like, I can probably do that, honestly. I now have a knife that I can cut produce with, thanks to my girlfriend, because all the knives that I had before were pretty terrible. They didn't actually do anything. Now we get to try the fun part. 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah, that worked. Oh yeah, this is a game changer already. All right, I definitely need smaller pieces. But that's okay. We are back. Like, look at this. Look at that. It is thinly diced.
You can take your knife and just pop it on your cutting board and chop it a little bit more.
That's what I'm about to do.
Doesn't have to be perfect, you know?
Yeah. Garbanzo beans and 1 can of white beans.
More. Stop. All right.
This is the Mediterranean one with the dressing as crafted by Brittany. Fresh. I have spilled enchilada, I have spilled pepperoncinis, I have spilled all sorts of things on me, but I successfully made all of the dense bean salads, and now I'm going to make oatmeal. I think next time I'm not going to make 2 dense bean salads per week because it makes like a lot for 1 person, and we'll show you that in a minute. But for oats, it's half a cup of rolled oats in a whatever jar you want to use. Making such a mess. All right.
That's okay.
Whatever.
Are you over this or what?
I'm like pretty over it. All right. 1, 2, 6. Okay. Little bit of cinnamon and a little scoop of protein in each one. 1, 6. Somebody stole my PB2 off of my front porch along with my new stethoscope. So no PB2. Then about a cup of your milk of choice. I like oat milk. Make sure you shake it if it's not a dairy product. 1.
I feel like you're having an oat-on-oat crime right now.
It's like the whole, like, do not cook a young goat in its mother's milk thing.
Oat-on-oat crimes.
A little bit of, I like a tiny bit of vanilla. And then with the protein powder, I don't think it needs honey, but before I was doing protein powder, I liked the honey. And then I add a cup of frozen fruit and a little bit, and a tablespoon of chia seeds in the morning when I'm on my way to work. All right. Shake it up with so the protein powder doesn't get weird. That's it. I made everything. Oh my God. Now, as you can see here, we've got a ton of dishes. and then a super messy kitchen with like trash and a bunch of shit on the floor. So I'm gonna clean that up now. Okay, behold. The dishes have been done. It is dark outside, so I'm using a light. And this is the final spread. Okay, overnight oats are marinating, they're cooking. I will add a cup of fruit to those when they're done and some chia seeds. This is a sliced up bell pepper with some hummus. I'm gonna eat that every day. This is the like enchilada dense bean salad, which I'll eat with some chips. Those are the chips up there. And then this here is the like Mediterranean dense bean salad. And I have the chicken separate from it so I can kind of put that in with it. And the last meal that I'm going to do is this thing that my girlfriend showed me. And it's like, you just do microwave rice and then tuna and then Kewpie mayo and sriracha and shoyu or like soy sauce. And then you eat it with cucumber that I sliced up and then some seaweed. So I will have like a little sushi type thing and then some miso soup from Whole Foods. So there's more containers that are just like this in there, but that's 6 days of food. It did take me like 4 hours, but I'm not very fast because I don't cook often. So, woo, there we go.